Dear student, class 9, today I am going to discuss about the chapter 4, the configuration of land and the climate of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is one of the large deltas of the world. Which which is the large deltas or which country is the large deltas of the world? Bangladesh. The whole of Bangladesh is formed with generic hilly region, limited highland and vast area of plain land washed by river water. The land configuration of this country is of low and level. Very important. The land configuration of this country is low and level. The climate of Bangladesh is on the whole equable. Very important. The climate of Bangladesh is on the whole equable. The monsoon has a great influence over the climate. As a result, different seasons come in rotation at different periods of the year. Sometimes we feel hot and sometimes cold. Because of the climatic change in different seasons. Very important. Different seasons come in rotation at different period of the year. For this reason, an excessive rainfall, unexpected flood and tidal wave influence people's lives. The people have to confront with different disasters and difficulties. In this chapter, we will be acquainted with the configuration of land, climate and natural disaster of Bangladesh. The configuration of land in Bangladesh. Bangladesh possesses a moist region comprised of alluvium. The whole of Bangladesh, except some generic hilly areas as at its northeast and southeast parts and some limited highlands at the northwest thereof, comprises of a vast level ground washed by river water. Bangladesh is situated at the basin of three largest rivers, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and the Meghna of South Asia. Bangladesh, where is Bangladesh situated? Bangladesh is situated at the basin of three largest rivers, water the Ganga, Brahmaputra, Meghna of South Asia. The configuration of land of this country is low and level in nature. The geographical location and periphery. Bangladesh is situated to the south of Asia continent, in between 20°.34 north axis and 26°38 as well as 88°.1 east meridian of longitude 92°41 east longitude, and the Tropic of Cancer, very important. Tropic of Cancer passes through over the middle of over the middle of Bangladesh. Tropic of Cancer. The maximum extent of east-west 440 km and the maximum extent from northwest to southeast 760 km. West Bengal of India, Meghalaya, Assam are situated to the north of Bangladesh. Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, Myanmar to the east. The Bay of Bengal to the south. Where is situated Bay of Bengal? To the south. West Bengal of India to the west of Bangladesh. A total area of Bangladesh 1 lakh is 1,47,570 square kilometer, or very important 56,977 square miles. The classification and the formation of land configuration. Bangladesh is one of the largest deltas of the world. A number of rivers flow through it. Among them, the main ones are the Padma, Jamuna, Meghna, the Brahmaputra, Shitalakha and Karnafuri. See, the region of Bangladesh possesses a gradual sloped ground from the very important from the north and north towards the south. These rivers, tributaries and effluents flow from the north to the from the north to the south towards the Bay of Bengal. Almost the whole region except the hilly region at northeast and southeast side of Bangladesh is level in shape and washed by river alluvium. The entire Bangladesh possesses almost a vast area of level land. Bangladesh possesses a small area of highland. She, on the basis of her large land configuration, may be chiefly divisible into three categories. Very important. The hills of tertiary age, flight of steppes of Pleistocene age, and flood level land of the recent age. The hill of the tertiary age. It's important for CQ. The hill of the tertiary age possesses an approximate 12% area of the total volume of Bangladesh. These hills were formed while the Himalayas was formed in tertiary age at about 2 million years ago. The hills existing in this part have been divided into two categories, such as the hills of the southeastern region and the hill of the north and northeastern region. The hill of the southeastern region. This region comprises of Rangamati, Bandarban, Khagrachuri, Cox's Bazar and eastern region of Chittagong district. Which portion or which region included in the southeastern region? Bandarban, Rangamati, Cox's Bazar, Khagrachuri and eastern region of Chittagong district. The hill and mountain existing in this part possess an average height of 610 meters. What is the height? 610 meters. At present, the name of the highest peak of Bangladesh is Tajingdong. What is the name of the highest peak of Bangladesh? Is Tajingdong Bijoy, possessing a height of 1231 meters. It is situated within Bandarban district. The second highest peak of Bangladesh is Kaukaradang, possessing a height of 1230 meters only. Besides, there are two other mountain peaks, Modokmual and Pyramid. Modokmual 1000 meters and Pyramid 915 meters. The hills and mountains in this region comprise of sandstone, clay and shale stone as well. The hills of the north and northeastern region. This part of the configuration of land comprises of the hills of the northeastern region existing at the northern region of Mymensingh and Netrokona, at the north and northwestern region of Sylhet, and at the south of Moulvibazar, Habiganj. These hills possess an average height not exceeding 244 meters. The hills of the north are locally known as Tila Hillock. Their height vary 30 to 90 meters. It's very important. Chiknagul, Khashia and Jayantia are the main hills in this part. Chiknagul and Khashia, Jayanta are the main hills in these parts. The flights of steppes oblique the plains of the Pleistocene age. This part comprises of about 8% of the total volume of land of Bangladesh. Approximately, the Pleistocene age is the age before 25,000 years. Very important. It is an 8%. You read more. What is the percentage are there in the plains of the Pleistocene age 8%. It is guessed that such flights of steps were formed due to originating of floods with the internally melted icy waters of that period. The flights of steps of the Pleistocene age may be divided into three categories: Barendra Bhumi, Madhupur and Bhawal and Lalmai Hills. Barendra Bhumi comprises of some parts of the district of Naugan, Rajshahi, Bogra, Jaipurhat, Rangpur and the particular region of the district of Dinajpur. This region has an area of 9,320 square kilometers. The height of such area is more than the flood level land by 6 to 12 meters. What is the height? Flood level land 6 to 12 meters. Soils of these areas are of grey and red colors. What type of soil found there? Red, grey and red colors. The country yard of the Madhupur and Bhawal comprises of some parts of district of Mymensingh, Tangail and Gazipur. It possesses a volume near about 4,103 square kilometers. The height of such areas is more than the level land by 6 to 30 meters. Soils here possess reddish and grey hues. What type of soil? Reddish and grey hues. The Lalmai Hills stretches from Lalmai 8 km far away to the south to the west from Kumilla city up to Moinamoti up to Moinamoti. It possesses an area of 34 square kilometers. The average height of these hills is 21 meters. Such soil also possess reddish hues and are mixed with pebbles, sands and gravels. The flood level and land of the recent age. Bangladesh possesses a vast level land comprising about 80% of the total volume washed by river water. As a number of rivers flow over the level land, they cause flood during the rainy season. Silt carried with flood water have been amassed for years after years and formed this flood level land. This flood level land possesses a volume of 1,024,266 square kilometers. The soil level of the whole land is very deep and the land is very fertile. The flood level land of the recent age may be categorically divided into several divisions, such as the region that spread over most parts of the Rangpur and Dinajpur situated in the northwest region of the country. In fact, this region is formed with volume alluvium carried from the Himalayas. Actually, this region is formed with alluvium carried from the Himalayas. This region stretches out over the districts of Dhaka, Tangail, Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Kumilla, Noakhali, Sylhet, Pabna and some parts of Rajshahi. This region comprises of Sylhet, Sunamganj, Maulvibazar, the most part of Hobiganj and a small part of the district of Kishoreganj and Netrokona to the east. In addition, this level land is stretches in the major part of Chatpur and Brahmanbaria and some parts of Lashmipur and Feni. This region is comprised of the alluvium carried down from the Himalaya. The delta plains comprise of Faridpur, Kustia, Jashore, Khulna, Barishal, Patuakhali and a part of Dhaka. The coastal level land comprises of Noakhali and from lower part of Feni river up to Cox's Bazar. The water course level and comprises of Khulna, Potuakhali regions and a part of district of Barguna. The soil of this region of Bangladesh is very fertile, plays a vital role in producing agricultural produces. The formation of configuration of land in Bangladesh and human habitation. Bangladesh stands ninth considering its population in the world. The population density of this country is, in comprising of its land, very excessive. Beside the growth rate of population here is very high. The population of Bangladesh was 12.93 crore according to the census of 2001. Population growth rate was 1.48% and the density of population per square kilometer 876 heads in that census. At present, population of Bangladesh is about 14.947 crore and the growth rate is 1.37 and the density of population per kilometer is 1015 heads. But disparity of population and density varies in consideration of diverse regions of this country due to formation of land configuration. Since Bangladesh possesses continual land configuration, people live almost everywhere on its territory. As the provision of livelihood is toilsome in the hill tracts and Sundarban region, density of population is comparatively very low in these two areas. Provisions of livelihood are difficult due to lack of good road and railway communication in these areas. Because good road, better road and railway communication are not available in this area. These areas are sparsely populated due to undeveloped communication system. Woodland and its land configuration centering around the tea industries in Sylhet, habitation has been developed here. Maulavi Bazar, most of the tea garden are there in the Maulavi Bazar, in Sylhet district. The level areas at the basin of rivers are formed of fertile silts. Cultivation of land is somewhat easy in such areas. This is why dense habitation has been noticed to grow in that region. Navigability of the rivers, convenience and opportunity of highways and railways attract the people to a great extent. Moreover, distribution of mass habitation is regulated due to the influence of climate over there. People prefer residing at such places having the equable condition to places having extreme climate. Weather condition in the whole area of Bangladesh is almost same, but the difference of cold and hot in the weather of northern region is relatively observed more. The most people are preferably inclined to dwell in the level land due to the useful climate for cultivation and helpful condition for production of corn. In Bangladesh, the regions where mineral resources have been discovered, a large number of laborers and employees gathers there in quest of livelihood and made the places crowded with habitations. Pursuing the mineral resources, agricultural assets, forest grounds, assets and livestock. The mass habitation have been developed at such places. A lot of sundry incidental industries along with the leading industries have been established. Such areas have been turned into densely populated areas based on the leading industries because of augmentation of industrial trading. Thick clusters of habitation has been developed in these districts since the industrial cities have been grown, particularly in Tezgaon, Tongi, Noshindi, Khulna, Chittagong, etc. Easy communication may be maintained if there exists enough scope for modern communication in an area, either by highway, railway, or by rivers. Consequently, the area becomes numerously inhabited in the course of time. In recent days, education and culture have influenced the human society to a great extent. The region that provides much opportunity to exercise and practice education and culture, etc. The mass habitation also gets crowded normally. So thank you very much. If you have any problem, please contact with me.